Hello, Teacher Ray here, and I have a request to do a tutorial on making a Find a Star reward with the Silhouette software. There are a lot of different kinds of graphic software that you could probably use to make a Find the Star, and Silhouette is what I use because I love playing with my vinyl machine, so I do cut a lot of vinyl. I made my Teacher Ray sign with vinyl and my shirt. So I use the Silhouette program quite often. I have a link to another tutorial of just what Silhouette software is and some of the things that you can do. But I have a friend that asked if I could show maybe step by step on how to make a Find the Star. So I'm going to come over here to my web browser. And in this um, window that you can see, I've got a couple of different tabs open, but I've got the VIP Kid Videos and Props Facebook, which a lot of people use this to get prop ideas and reward ideas, which is so great. So I'm going into the Google Drive. This is linked into the Facebook group, so if you want the link to this collaboration of different rewards, you'll have to join the group. I think Jennifer Anderson might be the admin, the one who started the group. So let's go to rewards, open rewards, and I know it might be hard to see in this video, but when there's something really important for you to see, I will zoom in. This right here says Find a Star Rewards. We'll click that. And I'm going to do this Find a Star Dino theme. So I'll click this and you see that it's a PDF of some different graphics. I'm going to save, and I'm going to move my screen so that you can see where that save is. So if you are in Google Drive and you want to save it, you click this button right here. This is download. And it downloads to your computer. I think it's still thinking. Let's download. Okay. And then you'll probably see a pop-up box. Now if you're on a Mac, it might be different. I'm on a PC. I'm going to save this PDF. And now it's in my downloads file. I'm going to go to Silhouette. Ooh, let's make this smaller so we can see. Whoops. Okay. All right, this is the Silhouette software. This is a free download. I go over it a little bit in the other tutorial that I've done. And when you are in Silhouette, so first step, if I do this kind of step by step, first step, download Silhouette program. Second step, download your Find a Star PDF. Someone said that the person who asked me to do this video asked or said that they had already converted the PDF to a JPEG. I don't think you have to do that to open up in Silhouette. Right up here is the file. If you click, well, let's see, I don't know if you'll be able to see. If you click File, Open, File, Open, you can see this open right here. And you go into your Downloads folder. That's where I saved the PDF. You can see your file that you saved. So I'm going to click this Find a Star Dino theme, and you see that it is a PDF. I click OK, and here it is. It's now showing up in Silhouette. The question that was asked was, how do you get the squares to cover the pictures? And this is very, very simple. I know sometimes some of us, we all need to see it, where I'm such a visual learner. So if I see it being done, it'll make a lot more sense to me. Because graphics programs all work around the same way, if you're using Microsoft Publisher, or even if you are doing any sort of shape drawing in Photoshop or any graphics type of program, PowerPoint, you can click this Draw a Rectangle. All you do is select this with your arrow, hold down your mouse, and drag. So I think what if we're talking very basic here, if you're not experienced with doing any sort of graphic manipulation, you might not know that's how you create a shape. So all you do, again, I'll show you, this is my mouse, the little cross looking thing. I click, I drag. And then I can go back over here to the arrow. And if I click the box that I made, these little points pop up. And I can resize the rectangle that I made. So let's drag this rectangle over picture 1. That doesn't do much good if we're using this as a digital reward for the Find a Star. We want it to be covered so that the student doesn't see what's underneath it. To do that, you are going to click this. Can we see it? Yes. Okay, so right above my head, there's this paint can. And that will enable us to fill the rectangle with a color. Let's just fill it with red. Ta-da! That's all you do. So let me go through those steps again. You have your arrow tool, click rectangle, click and drag to be as big or as small as you want your rectangle to be. Go back to the arrow, click your rectangle so that it's selected. If you know it's selected, you'll see those little points all around it. Click Paint Can and fill it with a color. And again, you can resize by holding and dragging one of the corners. You could even make it more of a square shape if you wanted to. Drag and pull down on one of these, and then just move it to the spot on your Find a Star picture. Now you're ready after you've done that for every single picture, and if you wanted to be picky and make them all the same shape, you can drag and make them the same shape. There are shortcuts to do. I mean, if you're experienced with making graphics, you probably can figure out how to do it fast using the copy and paste function. But I wanted to just take it back to basics to show you how to do that. Go back and watch some of my other tutorials to see how you can actually use this in the classroom. I'm not going to explain it in this video since we're at 8 minutes now. But I hope that that simple explanation of how to make the squares. So again, to make the squares, select the rectangle, point, click, drag, arrow, click, paint can, and fill. There it is. Hope that was helpful. Bye.